Hello students, in today's video on arithmetic progression we will be doing application of AP. This means that how the theory and formula of AP can be applied in solving various word problems which we come across in day-to-day life. So let us start with practice set 3.4, the first question. On 1st January 2016, Sanika decides to save rupees 10, rupees 11 on the second day, rupees 12 on the third day, and if she decides to save like this, then on 31st December 2016, what would be her total saving? Now the meaning of this question is that we start with the solution. As we go on with the solution, I will be explaining to you step by step. Now Sanika saves rupees 10 on the first day, 11 on the second day, and 12 on the third day, and so on. So she is going to save in this manner. So her savings, that is 10, 11, 12, and so on, forms an AP where A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 11 minus 10 equal to 1. So this is the AP. Now we have to find out how much she would be saving in the entire year. Okay, if the question, so how will you do? The year 2016 was a leap year, and a leap year has 366 days. That means n will be equal to 366. So we have to find out the total savings in the entire year. That means we have to find the S366. That means every day ka savings if we add, we will get the total amount, that is S366. Now how to find out this? We know the formula, that is Sn is equal to 2n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1b. In this we substitute, so we will get a value, we know the value of d, so we have substituted here. Now this 2 and this 366 will get cancelled, we'll get 183. So on simplifying this, we will get 183 into 385. Addition of this is 385, and on solving this we'll get 70455. So what is Sanika's total savings on the total savings on 31st December 2016 would be so much. Now if the question is how much did she save on 31st December, so you will find T366. Okay students, so you have to understand from the wording of the question that what is asked and how you have to go about with it. So with the next few sums you will get some clarity on it. Let's go to the next question. A man borrows rupees 8,000 and agrees to repay with a total interest of rupees 1360 in 12 monthly installments. Each installment being less than the preceding one by rupees 40. Find the amount of the first and last installment. Now in this question, what is the man doing? He has borrowed 8,000 and he decides to pay 8,000 and 1360 in 12 monthly. That means after 12 months he will be paying this in 12 monthly installments in such a way that each installment is less than the previous one by rupees 40. Okay, so you have to find the first and the last installment. So how will you start with the solution? We will consider the first installment to be A. Now each installment is less than the preceding one by rupees 50. That means this D will be minus 40. So his installments will form an AP. So this is an AP. The installments that he will be paying will be in the form of an AP because it's 40 less. Every installment is 40 rupees less. So and now this monthly installment, he has to pay how much? 8,000 plus 1360 is equal to 9360. Now this amount is repaid in 12 monthly installments. Therefore n is equal to 12 and S12 is equal to 9360. Now we know what is S12. We know the formula. We'll substitute there. Here A we do not know and D we know. So we will use this formula of Sn. And in this n we know is 12. A is unknown and D we know it is minus 40. So let us substitute. S12 is equal to 12 upon 2 into 2a plus 12 minus 1 into b, that is minus 40. This 12 and 2 will get cancelled. We will get 6. So we write 9360 is equal to 6 into 2a into 11 into minus 40. So solving this, 6 will come on this side, you will get 2a minus 440. So 6 and 9360 will get cancelled. On cancellation we will get here 1560. So this 440 will go on the other side, we will get 1560 plus 440 is equal to 2a. So 2a, on adding this we will get 2000, so a will be 1000. So we have got the first installment. So now let us find the last installment. The last installment is paid in the 12th month. So the last installment is given by Tn equal to T12. So we know the formula for Tn, that is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Let us substitute here. A is 1000, n is 12 and d is minus 40. So we will get 1000 plus 11 into minus 40, which is equal to 1000 minus 440, that is 1000 minus 440, that is equal to 560. So we get T12 is equal to 560. So we know that is the first installment is rupees 1000 and the last installment is rupees 560. Hope this is clear, students. Let's go to the next question. That is the third question. Sachin invested in a national savings certificate scheme. In the first year he invested 5,000, in the second year 7,000, in the third year 9,000 and so on. Find the total amount that he invested in 12 years. This is also similar to he invested in 12 years. That means you have to find out as 12. So we'll quickly go through the solution of this. Solution says he invested this in first year, 7,000 second and 9,000 in the third year. So this forms an AP where A is 5,000 and D will be 7,000 minus 5,000 equal to rupees 2,000. So the amount invested in 12 years is given by S12. So we have to find out S12. So S12 will be 12 upon 2 into 2 into 5,000 plus 12 minus 1 into 2,000. So on simplification we will get 11 into 2,000, that is 6 into 11 plus 22,000, which is equal to 6 into 32,000, which is, this is the amount. So therefore S12 is 19200. So Sachin invested rupees 19200 in 12 years. This was similar to the previous sum. Now let's go to the next question. There is an auditorium with 27 rows of seats. There are 20 seats in the first row, 22 seats in the second row, 24 seats in the third row and so on. Find the number of seats in the 15th row and also find how many seats are there in the auditorium. So again we start. There are 20. We start with the solution in this manner as what is given. So again the number of seats are forming an AP. 20, 22, 24 is an AP where A is equal to 20 and D will be 22 minus 20 equal to 2. So we have got A, we have got D. Now you have to find out how many seats are there in the 15th row. That means 15th row means you have to find T15 and total number of seats in the auditorium. So for total number of seats you will have to find out in the 27 rows. In all the 27 rows how many seats are there. For that you will have to calculate S27. So the number of seats in the 15th row is given by T15 and there are 27 rows in the auditorium and the total number of seats is given by S27. Hope this part is clear. Now we know we have A, we have D, so we can easily calculate T15 and S27 by using the formula. So let us start to find T15 and S27. We know that Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1d. So T15 will be 20 into 15 minus 1 into 2. As A is 20 and B is 2, we are going to substitute. So 20 plus 14 into 2 equal to 20 plus 28 and therefore T15 will be equal to 48. So how many seats are there in the 15th row? 48. So now let's find S27. So same way formula will substitute S27, 27 upon 2 into 2 into 20 plus 27 minus 1 into 2. So this will be 40, 26 into 2, simplification 27 into 40 plus 52, which is equal to 92. Now this 2 and 96 will get cancelled, we will get here 46 and 27 into 46 will give you 1242. So let's, therefore S27 is equal to 1242. So what you will write, there are 48 seats in the 15th row. The number of seats in the 15th row is 48 and the total number of seats in the auditorium is 1242. Let us take the next question, the third question, which says Kargil's temperature was recorded in a week from Monday to Saturday. All readings were in AP. The sum of temperatures of Monday and Saturday was 5 degrees Celsius more than the sum of the temperatures of Tuesday and Saturday. If the temperature of Wednesday was minus 30 degrees Celsius, then find the temperature on the other 5 days. Now students, remember this, whenever a word problem is given, you have to read it 2 times to understand what the question is expecting you to do. So what is there in this question? That there is the temperature of Kargil was recorded for 6 days, Monday to Saturday 6 days, and the temperature of Wednesday is given as minus 30, and the relation between the temperatures of Monday and Saturday and Tuesday is given. So let us use this information given to calculate the temperature of the remaining 5 days. So let us start with the solution. Now in order to assume the temperatures which are given recorded in AP, I am going to take a table first. Okay, so in which I'm going to mention the days of the week from Monday to Saturday. Now since the temperature of Wednesday is given as minus 30, I will take the temperature of Wednesday to be A. Since the common difference is D, we usually denote the common difference as D. We will take the temperature on Thursday to be A plus D, Friday will be A plus 2D, Saturday will be A plus 3D. Similarly, on Tuesday it will be D less, so it will be A minus D, and on Monday it will be A minus 2D. Now note children, the table was done only for explanation purpose first. But while writing, you will be starting your solution in this manner. That is, the temperatures recorded are in AP given. Therefore, let us assume that the temperatures recorded in degrees Celsius from Monday to Saturday be A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D respectively. Clear? The table will come after you write this. Next, let us now use this to calculate the temperatures. Now, I have taken down this table once again so that it's easier for us to get the relation between the temperatures. So the temperature on Wednesday is minus 30. So we will get A is equal to minus 30. Now what is the next relation given? That is the sum of the temperature on Monday and Saturday is 5 more than. Is means we'll write equal to 5 more than 5. More than means plus. Then what? Sum of the temperature on Tuesday and Saturday. So sum of temperatures on Tuesday and Saturday. So let us write what are the temperatures of Monday and Saturday. Temperature of Monday is A minus D. Sum means you have to add. Saturday's temperature is A plus 3D. So I will write that equal to temperature of Tuesday is A minus D. Temperature again sum. Temperature of Saturday is A plus 3D plus 5. Now if you observe, A plus 3D is there on both the sides. So they will get cancelled and you will get A minus 2D is equal to A minus D plus 5. Now again you have A and A on both the sides. So this A and A will get cancelled. Okay, so when you shift this here, you will get minus 2D plus D equal to 5. On simplifying this, you will get minus D is equal to 5 and therefore D will be equal to minus 5. Okay, now we have A and we have D. Okay, A is minus 30, D is minus 5. Now using this, we can get the temperatures of the week, that is A minus 2D. We start with the temperature on Monday, that is A minus 2D equal to minus 30 minus of 2 into minus 5, which is equal to minus 30 plus 10. Minus into minus is plus, and which gives you minus 20. Similarly, A minus D will be, when you substitute, you will get as minus 25. A plus D you will get as minus 35, A plus 2D you will get as minus 40, and A plus 3D is equal to minus 45. So these are the temperatures of the remaining 5 days. Wednesday's temperature we already know, it is minus 30. So but while writing the final answer, we will mention the temperature at Kargil for the week are minus 20, minus 25. See, minus 20, minus 25. then minus 35, minus 30, which is not mentioned because it's for Wednesday. Then minus 35, minus 40 and minus 45 respectively. Hope this is clear. We proceed to the next question. On World Environment Day, tree plantation program was arranged on a land which is triangular in shape. Trees are planted such that in the first row there is one tree, in the second row there are two trees, and in the third row 3 trees, and so on. Find the total number of trees in the 25 rows. Means you have to find all the trees in all the 25 rows. That means you have to find out S25. So let us start this task. Say sum is similar to the auditorium sum. So let us start. So number of trees in the first row 1, trees in the second row 2, trees in the third row 3. So definitely they are forming an AP. So 1, 2, 3 are in AP where A is equal to 1 and D is also 1. So total number of trees in 25 rows will be given by S25. So how do we find S25? With the formula. So in this S25 will be 25 upon 2, 2 into 1, as A is 1, D is also 1. We will substitute. Next step, it will be 25 upon 2. This will be 2, 24 into 1. On simplifying this, you'll get 25 upon 2 into 2 plus 24, which is equal to 25 into 26. This will get cancelled. You'll get here 13. 25 13s are 325. So you will get S25 is equal to 325. Then you have to mention the final answer. The total number of trees planted are 325. With this, we come to the end of today's session, children. Have a nice day. Thank you.